Segment is sponsored by Propane Education and Research Council. Building a home that's safe, sustainable, and resilient is a top priority for homeowners. Today, we are joined by an expert who excels in making those homes a reality, Matt Blashaw. He's a former host on the DIY Network and HGTV's Yard Crashers and Build It Forward. Welcome to the show, Matt. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me on.
Well, absolutely. Well, let's get started. What makes a home safe, sustainable, and resilient?
Well, let's start with the power source, because every home person that's building a home or even renovating a home, they want to go to paint, they want to go to tile first. But let's talk about the power. So that's why we use propane. We're using propane in the house that I'm standing in right now. It's a clean energy. It works efficiently with all of the home systems like heating, cooking, even power generation. So where I'm at, I wish I was at my house, because this is absolutely beautiful behind me. But we're on the Kiawah River at a custom built home that would not be possible without the power of propane. We have a 1,000-gallon propane tank that is buried on the side yard. You don't even know it's there. But that is an essential part of building a safe home that can stand strong even during the toughest storms. And you have on-site propane storage. So for those of you that are looking, for homes, can't find it, maybe the lots are really expensive, go outside the city limits and you can build where you want with propane, because you have that energy independence.
Wow, that home is absolutely stunning. You are right about that. Well, tell me why it's important to consider the energy source that powers a home.
So we'll talk about the major factors, right? Comfort, sustainability, resiliency. So propane, it's an energy mix. It's flexible. It's reliable. So unlike homes that rely on the electrical grid, they rely on that natural gas line coming in. You can build wherever you want. And sometimes that natural gas line can be so cost prohibitive, sometimes even impossible. So right here in coastal South Carolina, where I'm at right now, propane is a way of life. And so they want to make sure that they have that power source right there when they need it. I'm a California kid. I moved to Kansas City. We had a tornado come through the neighborhood, which was absolutely frightening. I didn't have power for about 3 days. I went out and bought a propane power generator. Why? Because it burns cleaner. That generator is going to last longer. And also, I had that power source right there. And for using in Salt Lake, you guys have snowstorms too. Think about putting a backup generator with power from propane in your yard, in your house now, to make sure you are ready for the unexpected.
Well, how does the way we power our homes impact the environment, real quick?
So we're in a very ecologically sensitive area. So propane is a low carbon energy source that emits fewer greenhouse gases and harmful pollutants. In fact, it produces 52% fewer greenhouse gas emissions than the standard electrical grid. And as it stands today, 60% of our grid is powered by coal, natural gas. And so if you're thinking about the environment and you're in an eco-sensitive area, that propane will not contaminate soil, and it's a safer building option in the long run.
Well, this sounds like an easy choice. Where can everyone go for more information?
So go to propane.com/formyhome, learn about the power of propane and what it can do for your family.
All right, well, you guys heard Matt. Get that propane for your home. Matt, thank you so much for being here on the show today with us.
Thank you.